there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without pulling your hair out. Today, we've got a face-off between two robot vacuum cleaners that promise to clean your home better than you ever could. Unless you're a cleaning ninja. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, and on the right, the Lefant M210 Pro. Let's dive in and see which one will suck up the competition. First up, everyone's favorite topic: money. Because who doesn't love talking about how much they're spending? The Roomba J7 comes in at a whopping $599. That's right, folks. For the price of a small island in the middle of nowhere, you can have a vacuum that maps your house like a CIA agent. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is a more wallet-friendly $209. That's the price of a fancy dinner for two, or, a vacuum that might just save your relationship by doing the cleaning for you. Next up, let's talk mapping and navigation. Because if these robots can't find their way around your house, they're as useful as a blindfolded tour guide. The Roomba J7 boasts Imprint Smart Mapping, which lets you control and schedule cleanings for specific rooms. It's like having a robot butler that knows your house better than you do. Plus, it has customizable keep-out zones. So if you have a room full of embarrassing secrets, Roomba's got your back. The Lefant M210 Pro has what they call FreeMove 3.0 technology. It's got 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It avoids obstacles like a ninja and can squeeze into spaces you didn't even know existed. Perfect for those who think cleaning under the bed is a myth. Now let's talk cleaning modes, because variety is the spice of life, even for vacuum cleaners. The Roomba J7 is pretty straightforward. It cleans when and where you want it to. But let's be honest, it's like that friend who's always available to hang out whenever you need them. The Lefant M210 Pro, however, has 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. You can schedule it to clean specific spots, or just let it wander around like a lost puppy. Either way, it's getting the job done. Pet owners, this one's for you, because nobody likes living in a fur factory. The Roomba J7 is great at avoiding pet messes, but let's be real, it's like that friend who's good at dodging responsibilities. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, has a unique suction mouth and powerful suction that makes it perfect for pet hair. It's like a vacuum with a black hole for a mouth. Pet hair? Gone. Dust bunnies? Obliterated. Online reviews for the iRobot Roomba J7 highlight its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features, making it efficient and convenient. However, some users noted minor issues with light sensitivity and the bin sensor. On the other hand, reviews for the Lefant M210 Pro praise its cleaning performance, ease of setup, and efficiency in handling pet hair, although some users found it a bit loud and had issues with the app. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba J7 and the Lefant M210 Pro. Both have their strengths and quirks, just like us. If you've got the budget and love some high-tech features, the Roomba J7 is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with some cool tricks up its sleeve, the Lefant M210 Pro is your new best friend. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Leave a comment below and let us know which vacuum cleaner you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean. Product links are in the description.